you can hear me. She can hear me.
That is a hair.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go. Right.
Maybe we didn't need so much flour.
It's a Christmas tree. The 15th, so it's Vlogmas day 15. I have missed
50?
Yeah?
Oh, it is the 50.
15, yeah, Vlogmas day 15. Oh my god, it's 10 more days until Christmas. I've missed like 3 days because I don't have an excuse, but yeah. I'm about to make some fried rice. Oh, let me put this down. Make some fried rice, and then me and Mara are going to record a video. We're going to record TikTok viral, testing out viral TikTok recipes. Rather record that. But yeah, I'm making fried rice quickly, so here's the beginning, and then I'm gonna show y'all the end. I've made the fried rice. I made the fried rice. Someone asked me for the recipe, but I don't really have one. I just one day I'll let you know. I'm gonna have the chicken wings. I'm gonna quickly go and buy some butter, and then yeah.
Zane's looking at me so bad. He's looking for me so bad.
Where are you? I don't think he is.
Zane, I get it. I'm just busy.
He's just going to feel me.
You liked?
No. Oh. What? I'm so tall. Calm down.
Did they see it? I hope we actually do one. Okay, can you bake? Serious
I'm
question.
a professional at everything I do, so it's not something you should really ask me. Do you know what I mean? Worry about yourself. We need the ring light. Stat.
Get the ring light.
Stat. Bake with me. Cook with me. Cook with the one and only. He's not your best friend. He's my best friend. Look at me and say hi. What was the point of this angle if the Christmas tree is not even in it?
Hey guys, and we're coming to...
Dennis, did you think that one was smart?
What?
So bring him back in here.
I'm gonna, I'll put it... I'm alright, we have Maria, yeah, anyways. I'll put it on... She has a channel as well, I'll put it somewhere.
You guys should already know.
Might not.
This is just, come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
a regular star.
I'm gonna put the, what's it called, the video of the TikTok on my right. I'm gonna show it to Maria so Maria can understand, because I don't understand.
Come on, we need one blend, we need some flour.
Huh? Yeah.
Let me clean the table off this time.
Oh my god! It's a lot coming this way. That is negative.
I feel like you guys should just mind your business.
Yeah, how about you guys? We didn't ask for an audience.
How about you stop looking at this direction?
We didn't ask for an audience. Thank you. We did not.
What else do I need?
Right, but before you start, can you pass my water?
Oh my god.
And my phone.
Because Rowan is all the way across.
I need them both escorted
And
out.
what else?
There's some flour. Just because you guys can see that it says corn, I don't know what you think you'll see.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna taste some?
Oh.
You told us not to.
Tough crowd.
No,
Do you have scissors?
yeah.
Yeah, can we get that, please?
You guys don't have it.
She's my sous chef and she's just not even doing what she's meant to be
Really
told.
bad.
It's all a part of the plan,
Yes,
guys.
it's part of it.
All a part of the plan. Maybe we didn't need so much flour. Where's all the ingredients?
What other ingredients?
So the tomato sauce, the
yes. We got the sauce, guys. I made it quickly. I went to the kitchen and did it quick.
yeah.
No. You come on, what's the
Yeah, you just keep going now. Now, lift this, turn it around, and roll again.
Who taught you this?
Life doesn't. As a professional, you have to be prepared for anything. And as this is going a little bit,
Video channel. What this do for you?
shush. As this is going a little bit left, as a professional, you should be able to pick it up straight.
You want me to get the cheese?
There we go. Everything should have been laid out. You think? So we're gonna just season the sauce because I don't understand.
Anything else you need?
Just mix. There we go.
Yeah, we're coming to do the
Triangle.
Yeah, how?
How about I start? Do the layout, then you can do the rest to fill it in. Right? So simple.
You know the maddest thing is, everyone knows my password.
So that's how it looks so far. Deck those with foes of fire. She's ruining it. She is ruining it.
She's cutting the sausages, guys. It's quick, man.
She doesn't want to do any of it, guys. I'm the best cook.
Okay.
Let's be honest now.
Let's be honest. Who taught you, bitch?
Oh my god, the profanity. It's a bit sharp for saying
Who taught
this.
you, mate? Who taught you?
I hope you guys can see. This is what it's looking like. Put the cheese on top.
It's quite easy. But like,
So
it's
easy.
no, the other part that's hard. How does she do
Okay,
this?
neatly. We love some cheese here.
It's a lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
Everybody's gonna try some, by the way.
Everyone has to try some.
Look.
Gotta cut it like
Let
this.
me show you what she's doing, guys.
Okay, cut that off. Right. That one is a bit more thin than our thick ass dough. So,
I think we did quite well. I think we're doing quite well.
okay.
Or do you want to add some more sauce? No?
No. So now, fold it. 20. We need a Christmas tree. Oh, same. Guys, wow.
Wow! It's really good looking at it.
Such a professional. It's so scary being me sometimes. Okay, now for the thick ends. Okay. This is a very thick piece.
They're not recording.
Yeah.
Cheers. Okay, now for the bottom, it might be a little tricky.
It looks like a Christmas tree in a way.
It's giving me leaf. But we can go with that. So this is our tree.
You don't sound confident about it.
What temperature is the oven on?
Right. Oops, hot. Where is it? We need the scoop thing.
What scoop?
We're gonna try to shimmy it off. Lift off.
No, we can't find the spatula.
Come on. This is so.
Should I get the
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven and then we're gonna make our other two products.
Can I ask, do you guys put oil on the foil?
No, we didn't.
Okay, so now, how are you gonna get it off?
It will be fine.
Yeah, we know what we're doing.
Not the oil. Get the oil.
We're gonna make, next thing we're gonna make is Christmas shortbread.
We need a bowl.
We kind of don't have the stencils, so we're gonna improvise.
Ooh, this is giving me Squid Game.
Yeah, we got our things. I don't know how to bake. Apparently Miranda's how to bake, so
I'm just a professional at
that's it. Just
I don't like measuring. Can we get a spoon? I love some shortbread. So I'm ready for this. Let me show you guys my dots. Don't like measuring.
So we're just gonna improvise the.
So, life, if you're a professional cook, you just improvise, okay? It's about creaming. Okay, guys, keyword. Close and personal. It's all about love when you're cooking.
Too much.
A little bit. That's a lot now. The consistency. Yeah. Nice.
Which one?
And now we're gonna start molding it.
Squeeze all of it.
Circle.
No.
It's gonna be thick crust, so it's easy to just pat. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Guys, as you can see, I am a professional artist. So, on that side of the room. That is amazing. Thank you.
That's really good. And it came out fantastic.
Wow. Yeah, I had a feeling. She is gonna do the star that was led to Jesus.
That was led to Jesus.
That it led to Jesus. Shut up. I don't know if they followed that one. They would get a bit confused. As presents.
Pasta is a bit wonky. It looks like a jellyfish. But, yeah. I feel you. I see what you're doing.
Excuse me, this is not pencil and paper. This is
It's actually it's very hard. You have to have a very, very still hand to do it.
Look at my beautiful
I guess you don't have
snowman.
that.
Oh, he's
That's really
so cute. It's just cheese and oh my gosh, it's humongous.
That's why I said it's like a bread.
It's like
It's like a loaf.
well, I'm proud of the
I'm
Christmas.
proud. I'm proud.
Oh, look at that oozing out. Mm.
We're coming to make Christmas cupcakes.
Let me wake up. Add that in.
Yeah?
Yep.
How many does it make?
6. Egg. 1 egg. Plop. Now, cupcakes are my specialty.
Yeah, it has to be smooth.
If these don't go well, that's not my fault.
Careful, careful. Food hygiene. You should always wear a hairnet when you're cooking.
And carry it back.
It's always good to get what's this called?
Ready-made.
Ready-made stuff because nobody has time to be Christmas. What's this called?
Cake tins.
Christmas cake tins. Cake tins? Are you sure?
Yeah, they are called cake tins.
Oh, I thought this is a cake tin.
No?
That is a cake.
That is a cake tin,
That's
though.
not cake.
These are not cake tins.
Okay, cupcake cases.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go. Right.
Oh dear God.
I know you can hear me. She can hear me.
That is a hair.
Oh, there, you want me to eat that? When you're finding it.
It will burn and
Oh,
heat
family.
burns. But it's how they look.
And we're just putting in the oven. I don't really need to see
Put it in
that.
the oven.
Shortbread first. Which one do you want? Do you guys want to see how beautiful it is?
And get an actual tray.
Look how cute you are.
You don't have another tray. It's done. It has sprinkles on it.
And then this is the baubles. It's the bauble. The present. So cute.
And this is our Christmas tree.
That is so cute.
This looks so cool.
Ah, such a professional.
Take a camera shot.
I'm commercial.
It's a bit crispy.
Okay, let's take
I'm gonna
this.
try. Which one do you wanna try?
It's nice.
Let's try. Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna cut out Christmas tree pizza. Show them. This is the inside of it. Can you taste?
Oh, should I wait?
Are you ready now?
It still has shortbread in my mouth. It's good.
It's very nice and joking.
And oven.
This is good, this is good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Tastes like pizza.
But in cheese.
Oh my god. See, if it wasn't not nice, they would have said it's not nice.
See, they were doubting us. They were doubting us, you know.
That's not professionalism.
You guys didn't
We
give
were
it a...
professional. What do we do that's not
You
professional?
didn't give it a
We cleaned
rating.
after we made
You're
it.
so unorganized.
I wasn't.
You was.
I improvised.
You don't have any of the utensils that you needed.
I'll give it a 7.
Thank
Okay.
you. That's
Okay.
really high.
Not too bad.
6.5.
Now the pizza.
Well,
Pizza.
I mean, what are we doing from taste, creativity,
Anything. Just...
For the-
for the creativity?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be a full because you just got it out of packet.
No,
didn't-
I carved that by myself.
Because look, you didn't do anything.
My snowman. Did you see that snowman?
Okay, well done for that. That's what it's okay,
You see my
I'll give you
star?
a 5 for that.
And the
Did you see my
2021, that
And
was
the
good.
star.
5 for creativity.
Taste.
Oh, we got more than higher than a 5.
Yeah, because that was handcrafted.
Alright, 5.5.
Taste.
I'm not a desserts person.
Okay, real creativity.
I'll give it a 6.2.
Since you didn't make it, I'll give it a solid 8.
We didn't make it.
Yes, 10 out of 10.
No, the cleanliness was already there because somebody dropped the thing.
Yeah, that's true.
The table was clean and I ate it.
What are you gonna draw? competition. We need the best design.
Yeah, which ones are the best three? Best three designs.
I'm not really understanding.
It looks like Ivana made them.
Wow.
There's the red dot in the middle.
Best three designs.
That looks like a snowflake.
Okay.
I think that's it.
That's free.
You.
I agree with the snowflake one. And I don't know what this is, but I think I like it.
Well, let me go on.
So these two are Maria's. So they chose these two.
Let me explain this. This is Rudolph's.
Yeah, that's
Red
explained.
nose.
Rudolph the red nose right there.
That is sick. It's Rudolph's red nose. That is
I don't
sick.
know what this is. A
So what was
snowflake.
this here? What was he trying to get here?
So this is
snowman?
a snowman.
That's meant to be a
And this is the Christmas tree. Okay.
You know what?
I love
It's all
it.
about the effort.
Thank you, Maria, for helping me make this food and showing us that you can bake and cook. Okay, bye. And Vlogmas Day 15. Bye.
See my hair.
What's that?
Let's see my hair
This is
again.
the crazy family that you get. Move. It's actually really nice. But yeah, bye.